Hi everybody, welcome to the Cooking with the Brown Chef. Today I'm gonna do a Napoli sauce, one of a main sauce. It's one of a very important sauce because if you know how to make a Napoli sauce, you can make pasta, lasagna, and you can do much more. So I'm gonna show you how to do the Napoli sauce today. So very simple. First of all, I'm gonna introduce the ingredients. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So 200 milliliters of lukewarm water. So 1 tablespoon of basil. So I'm gonna chop them out. And thymes, 1 tablespoon of thyme, and 1 tablespoon of oregano. You can get 3/4 of garlic, and you're gonna get 1/4 of onion, 75 gram of onion, and you have 500 gram of tomato. First, I'm gonna cut the garlic, chop them up. You're gonna find the garlic nicely. Then you're gonna dice the onion. Then I'm gonna show you how to cut the tomato and to get the core off from the tomato. It's nice and easy, very simple. Just give the rough cut for the tomato because you're gonna boil them up. Now I'm gonna chop some basil leaves. Sorry, 1 tablespoon of basil leaves. Then you're gonna chop the oregano. Get the leaves off. Take the stumps off. Chop them very finely. Oh, a beautiful smell. I love this oregano smell. I hope you guys love it. And then I'm gonna chop some thyme with the stump. That's fine. You're gonna chop the thyme properly. Now I already done the prep. So what I'm gonna do, I already put my pan up there, heating up there. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to do it. I choose the 3 herbs, but it's up to you guys. You can choose any kind of herbs. You can use bay leaf, you can use the parsley, thymes, dill, whatever herbs you want. It's up to you guys. So I chose basil and thymes and oregano. It's my choice. It's my personal choice. It's up to you guys. You can choose any herbs you want, or you can buy mixed herbs from the supermarket. It's dry mixed herbs, and just put it up. You don't have to waste your time to cutting up them. My pan is already heating up. First thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some olive oil. Then I'm gonna saute some garlic and onion together. And then garlic get brown. Then you're gonna add the tomato, cut tomato, and just give it a little bit stir up. Guys, this is 500 gram of tomatoes, and you're gonna add some 200 milliliters of water. So outcome will be 500 milliliters of Napolitan sauce, because that water gonna evaporate and that's gonna give the more flavor, thickness. That's why I'm putting 200 milliliters of water. Now I'm gonna add half of the herbs, but I'm gonna leave the half of it to add later on. So I put the half of thymes, half of oregano, half of basil. So let flavors go into the tomato. When it's tomato halfway cooked, you're gonna put 200 milliliters of water. As you see, at least you have to cook this tomato for 20 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. So then later on you're gonna blend it up. So you make sure you season it with the salt and pepper according to your taste. And don't forget that there is a secret ingredients. It's 1 tablespoon of sugar. Once you add the sugar, the tanginess of the tomato gonna get killed. The tanginess of the tomato gonna wipe off. Guys, I'm gonna give another tip. Make sure when you choose the tomato, make sure you get the really nice ripe one. Make sure you get the reddish color of tomato, then you're gonna get the nice color of the Napolitan sauce. Look, as you see, this is the thickness, and you can see the herbs through it, and the tomato chunk is already cooked. So yeah, as I said, it's just took 15 minutes. It's depend on the pot and the flame you're gonna use. Now I'm gonna add more herbs, whatever the rest of the herbs, and then it give you more flavor. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna blend this one. As you see, you can use as it is as a Napolitan sauce. Even you can blend it too. It's up to you guys, whatever you want, how you want to do it. See the chunk of the tomato, and still you can use this sauce. It's ready to serve, and even if you blend this one, even that's perfect too. So now I'm gonna blend it. As you can see guys, this is the thickness. It doesn't have to be a very thick Napoli sauce. Always it needs to be a little bit watery. I'm gonna heat it up a little bit. If you think now, you can taste this one and see whether salt is enough, pepper is enough, or sugar is enough. If you feel like if you want to put more sugar or salt or sugar, it's up to you guys. You can finalize now. I'm gonna taste now again. Yum. It's nice, it's nice. Yep, it's ready to serve now. So I'm gonna pour out into the dish, serving dish. Okay, this is how we're gonna do the Napolitan sauce. This is one of main sauce. It's really important to make a lot of dishes. You can make a lot of dishes through this one. Okay, now I'm gonna try how it is. How is the taste like? Saltiness there, pepper there, the sugar there, a lot of herbs, really Italian style. So thanks guys, thanks for watching me, thanks for subscribing me Cooking with the Brown Chef. Please stay with me, and please do comment under my videos, and recommend to your friends, and give suggestions and requests if you want me to make something for you guys. I'm ready to do it. So thank you guys, thanks for watching me, and see you with a different video. Cheers, bye.